In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a live chat widget to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your GoDaddy website builder dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, find the website where you want to add live chat and select it. This will take you to the area where you can manage and update that specific site. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, where you can make changes to the content and features on your site. After the editor loads, look over to the right sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Shortcuts. This area gives you quick access to useful website tools and features. In the Shortcuts section, click on Chat. This will open the chat options available for your GoDaddy website. Depending on your plan or website settings, you may see one or more live chat choices. Select the live chat option that is available for your site and continue to the setup screen. Once you have chosen the chat option, complete the setup by adjusting the available chat settings. You may be able to customize details such as how the chat appears on your website, when it is shown, or how visitors can interact with it. Go through each available setting carefully and make sure everything matches the way you want your live chat widget to work. After you finish configuring the chat settings, save your changes. Saving is important so that your setup is not lost before you publish the website. Once the changes are saved, click Publish. This makes the live chat widget visible on your live website so visitors can start using it. After publishing, it is a good idea to visit your website and confirm that the chat widget appears correctly. Check that it loads properly and that the basic chat experience works as expected. This helps ensure that your visitors can contact you without any issues. With that done, your GoDaddy website now has a live chat widget added and published. This can make it easier for visitors to reach out, ask questions, and get support directly from your site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.